Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making homemade ranch dressing. Let's get right into the video. Our ingredients for today are 1/4 cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, half a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of fresh dill. It's best to use dry dill if you have some. 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of dry parsley, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. In this recipe, I used garlic powder from Toff seed. If you are in Ghana, you need to try this. It's very affordable and it tastes exactly like fresh garlic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are going to be using our ranch dressing for a chicken avocado wrap in our next episode. Yum yum. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Much love. Peace out.